Audits can feel intimidating. Whether it's a drill sergeant, a parent, or a state inspector, the pressure is real. But with the right tools, you can stay confident and compliant without the stress. Resident Assist makes this easy with 2 dedicated audit sections, one for Sys Admins and one for managers. In this video, we'll focus on how these tools keep your facility and resident records in perfect order. Facility tasks and employee requirements have their own videos. Here, our focus is auditing, your key to staying ahead. You can run audits anytime and even create facility tasks as reminders. Let's start with the Sys Admin Audit on the My Facility Manage page. On this page, select the Audit tab. You'll see sections for account, facility, and employees. Any issues appear in priority order, along with descriptions, recommended fixes, and direct links to resolve them. For example, if an employee is missing a fingerprint card, click the link labeled Go Here to resolve. This opens the employee's profile in a new tab. From there, click the plus icon to upload the required document. Once done, close the tab and return to the audit page. Click Rerun Audit to refresh and confirm that the issue is resolved. Managers have a similar audit tool for resident-related items. Navigate to the Residents page, open the 3-dot menu, and choose Resident Audit. The audit window lists any outstanding issues. Fix them using the same method. Follow the direct link, make the correction, then rerun the audit to confirm. Consistent use of Resident Assist makes audits simple and proactive, giving you more time for what matters most, caring for your residents.